Okay, so I decided to add another 50 litres of K Plus to the bio. It's got 200 litres rolling in there at the minute. And we'll slowly add another 50 litres to that. But being as it's only actually been rolling for 2 or 3 weeks, you see the colour of this new media compared to what's in there. That media is really coloured up and matured really quick. That's only 2 or 3 weeks now of that media rolling, and that's browning up quite quickly, that is, so it's really maturing a lot quicker than I thought it would. I didn't really notice it until I put the new media in. You can just see how white that new media is compared to the stuff that's in there. So I'll let that roll for a bit. See how that goes, adding a few litres. I'll just add a couple of litres a day until it's all rolling, rather than fill it up and have it floating. I'm really impressed with how quick that's matured. That's the new K Plus media. And it's browned up a lot quicker than I thought it would.